This meditation will help you manifest your dream car through the method of visualization. I want you to picture your dream car. I want you to see it clearly in your mind. I want you to see all of its curves and edges. I want you to take note of the glare of the windows and the shine of the paint. Take note of every little detail of the exterior of the car. What color is it? What badges does appear on the front grille? Now that you have had a good look at the exterior of the car, I want you to look down in your hand and imagine the keys of this car in the palm of your hand. Feel the keys in your hand. I want you to now imagine yourself walking towards the car. Feel the excitement build up within you with each step that you take that brings you closer towards your dream goal. I want you to now reach out, grab the door handle and open the door. As you open the door, I want you to visualize, imagine the interior of the car. Imagine every little detail that you can. I want you to now step forward and sit down in the driver's seat of the car. As you sit down, take a minute to look around. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it smell like? I want you to notice all of the smell-like buttons, the gear knob, the steering wheel. Take note of all the details that you see. Now take a deep breath in and smell the new car smell. I want you to now start the car. As you start the car, I want you to hear the sound that the engine makes. I want you to feel the vibration that comes upon the chassis as you stop the car. Everything that you see, smell and feel belongs to you. This is your car. This is what you desire and it is what you deserve. I want you to now soak in the experience of sitting in your dream car. I want you to feel everything that you would feel as if you were really sitting inside the car. In order for you to manifest this car, you need to already believe that you are in the position of it. The car already belongs to you. Believe it and feel it. I want you to now rev the car's engine. And as you rev it, feel the adrenaline that surges through your body, the excitement. I want you to now reach out and put your hands firmly on the steering wheel. Feel the material in your palms. I want you to now repeat out loud or in your mind the following statements. This is my car. I own this car. This car belongs to me. When you are saying these statements, I want you to feel it, put all your emotion into it, and say it with conviction. Your desire for this car should be felt in these statements. In order to manifest this car, you need to believe that this is already yours. In your position, the law of attraction and manifestation are powerful forces. Repeat this meditation to ensure that you make the most of these powerful forces. I hope this is helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe and I will catch you in the next video.